Hello everyone. So we have some exciting news about the production plans for the highly anticipated Tesla Model 2. It seems that leaked information is indicating that Tesla is considering producing the Model 2 at Giga Texas. This news caught many by surprise, as initially many imagined that production would take place at Giga Berlin or even in Mexico. Now, we know that the first production line might indeed be underway at Giga Texas. It's an unexpected turn, considering speculations about Mexico or even Giga Berlin. Discussions about the development of this new model began back in 2023, as revealed by Elon Musk himself. But things got even more interesting recently with the discovery that Tesla is transporting structures that appear to be intended for the exterior of the Model 2 to Giga Texas. It's a real game of hide-and-seek, right? Everything is still shrouded in mystery, fueling more debates within the enthusiast community. So, it seems that Tesla is keeping some secrets about its plans for the Model 2. This news is stirring up the enthusiast community because, after all, we're talking about nothing less than the next generation of Tesla electric cars. And this recent activity, with parts being sent to Giga Texas, is generating a frenzy of debates and speculations. After all, what is Tesla up to behind the scenes? Apparently, these structures are related to the exterior chassis of the Model 2, leading us to believe that we are about to witness the start of prototype production of this incredible vehicle. And, let's face it, this only increases expectations and curiosity about the final design of this car. Will we see a revolution in its appearance? We are all eager to find out. Now, the burning question. What do you think Tesla is plotting with these movements? Will there be a surprise in the design of the Model 2? Share your theories in the comments. And, of course, if you haven't already subscribed, this is your chance not to miss any details of this exciting journey. The Model 2 is being described as a true masterpiece in terms of design. Just imagine, elegance and a more pronounced hood slope compared to the Model Y. We're talking about a car that, apparently, will win hearts not only for its electric efficiency but also for its style. The difference in hood slope is a notable touch. This specific feature creates a bolder and, in a way, distinctive aesthetic from what we currently see in Tesla models. And guess what? This change may indicate that the Model 2 will fill that gap in Tesla's collection, especially when it comes to hatchback-style cars. And that's not all. Elon Musk, the genius behind all of this, has emphasized the strategic importance of this project. We're talking about more than just an electric car. We're talking about accessibility, making electric technology more accessible to a broader audience. It's as if we're witnessing the creation of something that goes beyond a simple vehicle. It's a key piece in the electric car revolution. Well, folks, now let's talk about the production plans for the Tesla Model 2. And look, the information we have is enough to make any enthusiast excited. Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla, recently revealed that the initial production of the Model 2 will take place at Giga Texas. Yes, that place full of technology and innovation that Tesla calls home in the United States. The surprise here is that, instead of what many imagined, such as production at Giga Berlin or even in Mexico, Tesla chose Giga Texas to bring the Model 2 to life. It seems they are planning to start off on the right foot, literally. The news gets even more interesting when Elon Musk mentions that as soon as construction at Giga Mexico is 100% complete, the Model 2 will also come to life there. So, we're talking about a dual production, folks. Yes, you heard it right. It is expected that the Model 2 will have double the production compared to other Tesla models. We're talking about a high-stakes move here, and it's intriguing to understand what motivated this decision. Is Tesla super confident in the success of the Model 2? Is there something special at Giga Texas that will give a boost to this production? What do you think of this production strategy? Are we about to witness a boom of Model 2s on the streets? I personally am quite curious. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so to not miss any chapter of this story. It seems that the Model 2 is drawing inspiration from the robust and striking design of the Cybertruck. Just imagine, that bold and unmistakable aesthetic might be coming to Tesla's more affordable electric cars. It's exciting to think about this fusion of styles. And there's more. Word on the street is that the model may second surprise by including the autonomous driving system as standard. Yes, that's right. It could be that when you purchase a Model 2, you're already securing a cutting-edge autonomous driving experience. Oh, and we can't forget about the range. There are speculations that the model May 2nd have an incredible range, reaching up to 400 miles. That would be a true leap in terms of efficiency and autonomy for an affordable vehicle. But, as not everything is perfect, Tesla faces its challenges, especially in battery production. Demand is growing, and Tesla is looking for ways to optimize costs. This is where the possible use of iron phosphate and lithium LFP batteries comes in. It seems that Tesla is eyeing these batteries to maintain efficiency without compromising quality and, of course, keeping costs under control. And speaking of control, the expansion of Tesla's supercharger network is a crucial point. This is not only for the Model 2 but for all future electric vehicle owners. After all, the accessibility and availability of fast charging are significant factors in the decision-making process for those considering adopting an electric vehicle. Fast charging is a crucial element that plays a significant role in the considerations of those contemplating the transition to an electric vehicle. The accessibility and speed at which an electric vehicle can be recharged directly influence the user experience and the practical viability of daily use. For potential electric vehicle owners, the availability of a robust network of fast charging stations, such as Tesla's superchargers, provides the reassurance of being able to easily embark on long-distance journeys. The ability to recharge quickly offers a more convenient experience and alleviates range anxiety, a factor often cited as a barrier to the mass adoption of electric vehicles. Furthermore, fast charging infrastructure plays a fundamental role in integrating electric vehicles into daily life, allowing users to efficiently recharge their cars during quick stops, such as on trips or daily commutes. This convenience is a crucial aspect to encourage widespread adoption of electric vehicles and promote sustainable mobility. Therefore, when considering the switch to an electric vehicle, the quality and extent of the fast charging network are factors that not only influence the choice of the vehicle model but also directly impact the decision to adopt this more sustainable form of transportation. And so we come to the end of this incredible journey of discoveries about the Tesla Model 2. It has been a true roller coaster of information, from the surprising production plans to the fascinating design details and the challenges that Tesla is facing to make this vehicle a reality. While eagerly awaiting more information and the much-anticipated launch, the Tesla enthusiast community and sustainable mobility lovers only stand to gain from this new chapter unfolding on the horizon. Don't forget to share your opinions in the comments. What excited you the most about the Model 2? And of course, if you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel to not miss any details, and, of course, ring the bell to receive notifications. We are all eager to see what the future holds for the Tesla Model 2. Until then, let's continue exploring together the exciting world of Tesla and electric mobility. Thank you for following along, and see you in the next video.